Good afternoon, everyone. It's Rachel here, and I am here with a new digital kit. Now, this is a Botanical kit number 5, and Stef worked on it in July, I think, and I had to finish off the tags and a little bit of the ephemera, so that's why I'm so late with it. So there are 8 pages in the journal pages, and they are really, really beautiful. Using some of our ephemera that we have in our backgrounds, and then, you know, public domain flowers and things like that. That's one of the pages that I have from my antique books. I have all of this here, except for the flowers. The frames are even, I think, some of them from my books as well. So yeah, really, really fun kits, and in Steffi style. I think they are so beautiful. I printed them borderless, and they are, as usual, A4. Love that. That's from an antique document that I have. All the scripty things are my antique documents. This is some antique mattress ticking. I think all of that background is antique mattress ticking that I have. And that's also from one of my documents. So I'm just pointing out, like, only the flowers are probably not mine, and a few of the borders, but although here I don't see many borders. So those are the pages. I've even got that map there. So we'll just quickly go through those again. So they're the pages. And we have 2 extras for a freebie. Oh my gosh, guys, I'm so sorry. I haven't sent out any freebies, but I will do it. I promise. I promise. Okay, so that's the journal pages. Then we have tags. So Stef prepared the bases, and then I just decorated them, but I kept them fairly simple, so that way if someone wanted to add flowers or something like that, they can do that. And I think there's 9 pages here. I can't remember. We'll count them. So I love that. This one, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes, there are 9 pages. So these are the tags. They're bigger size tags. Absolutely love them. And now I used a mix of things. My things, Graphics Fairy and Public Domain, and the bases are from the pages. And then he did some envelopes with our envelopes that we have. And I absolutely love these. I've been dying to use them. I've kept having to be careful not to pull them out. So yeah, there's a mix. I did a few ephemera pages. So all of this is my own, except for that ephemera that I have. And there's another one of Steffi's. There, so they're all envelopes. I haven't printed on the other side. All of this is mine except for that. That's a little detail of an antique wallpaper. And all of this is mine except for that. There, that's just I think it's a Elizabethan or a little bit later embroidery there. And then another envelope here, and another one. So they are the 3 kits that will be going in my shop, and I just wanted to show you quickly. I did use one of these in this journal here. So I think it was this journal that I used some of the pages. There you go. I just wanted to show you quickly here, and I mixed them in with my other kits. Just trying to find where the pages are there, just to give you an idea. And yeah, so these is for one of the ladies on my list, and I'm waiting to hear back from one lady, but I think she has not answered me, so I will be offering it. She's to the next person. So yeah, so that's one of the freebie ones that will be coming out when I get off my you-know-what and send it. So yeah, just to give you an idea of what the pages look like. So I hope you like the new kits. I'm now happy that I'm free to be able to have a play with them. I'm going to print on the reverse side of these envelopes, and I will start playing with some of this because it's really, really lovely. So I hope you have a lovely day, and thank you so much for watching, and I will see you again soon. Oh, sorry, all of the links for the kits will be in the description box. So have a wonderful day. Bye.